Welcome to LDI 2012. I'm Josh Alamany, Director of Products for Rosco, and we're going to give you a little tour of what's new in our booth this year. Amy, tell me about the LED channel mount that we're showing here at LDI for the first time.
Well, the LED channel mount is not just a simple means of installing LED tape. What really is the trick here is that you can add Rosco gel filters to the cover so that you can color the light, diffuse it, or even change the beam spread. We all know that keeping LEDs cool is important. The base is engineered with a notch, and then we've added a slight curvature. This also allows you to add mounting bracket screws so that it sits flush against the surface. Well, just like LED tape, you can custom cut this in the field. So each kit comes with 6 feet of channel, the plastic cover, and caps and mounting brackets.
What are the options for putting filter into the dome?
So the options are any Rosco color filter. We have standard colors readily stocked and available, all of the CTOs, the Tough Rolex, and you can order 20-piece minimum of any Rosco color filter. So not only is LED channel mount a simple way to install LED tape, it's a way to take a low-cost product and turn it into a sleek, attractive-looking installation.
I'm with Wendy Ludke, who's our product manager for color and lighting, and she's going to tell us about the new Revo Simple Spin and Revo Pro rotators that Rosco's showing.
We have 3 new rotators. They are belt-driven. The belt allows us to have one of the quietest rotators you have maybe ever heard. I would challenge you to hear it. They all also use stepper motors, which means that when you're trying to do a super slow effect, there will be no stuttering. The electronic controls and stepper motors will allow a super smooth, subtle, slow effect. We have multiple control options. If you're in a set and forget situation, then the Simple Spin, you plug it in, adjust the speed on the unit. There is a dimmer remote option, but if you want precise, actual professional theatrical dimming, then you want to move to a DMX model. And the DMX models are the Revo and the Revo Pro. The Revo and the Revo Pro both have 2 motors. The Simple Spin has 1 motor. What that means is that the Revo and the Revo Pro will allow you to index both of those gobos independently to finally do the clock effect. And you can adjust the speed and direction of both of those on those 2 models separately as well. So the Revo Pro also allows you to have pre-programmed effects on board. So if you need a one-stop shopping unit, you want to be able to use it in the theater for the event and use the DMX dimming and all of those effects. You're all set. And then somebody says to you, how about the gala out front? We've got some pre-programmed onboard effects that you can use to do that. There's also one that you can customize yourself if none of those will work for you.
I'm with Matt DeLong, our product manager for fog and fluids, and he is introducing a new bubble fluid here at LDI this year.
The new Rosco bubble fluid is a fluid that's been designed to make more bubbles. The bubble fluid is designed so that it is a quick drying solution, so you don't get a whole bunch of greasy, messy residue left over or slick spots on the floor. So when the bubbles come down and they do pop, they evaporate very quickly. The bubbles are designed to have a very high level of iridescence, so they look really great as they come down.
Eric Tishman is going to tell us about the newly re-engineered PF1000 fog machine that we're showing at LDI this year.
The PF1000, as you know, has been around for a while, but what we've done is we've re-engineered it completely on the inside. New circuitry, so that we could comply with RoHS and new regulations. It's a 250-watt heater that's attached by a 15-foot umbilical cord to a control center. The control center has electronics and a pump. The advantage of this is you can hide this head inside small props, inside scenery, and really get a nice effect, chimney effect, something like that. In addition to making fog, we also have an air input kit. And the air input kit allows you to do special effects, but also allows you to use compressed air to clean it. One of the best ways we know of cleaning fog machines is using compressed air. It's $2,895 list price and makes a heck of a lot of fog.
Mike Wagner is our product manager for film and television, and he's going to tell us about the new features of Axiom showing here at LDI.
So this is a light pad Axiom. We basically have taken the light pad that everyone knows and loves and we put it into a metal housing. And what that allows us to do is you have a lot more features inherent into the light pad that you might not have had before. For example, we have a gel slot, so you could slide in some rigid gels that we've developed for LightPad, which allows you to color correct or add diffusion or party colors to it. You could also slide in an egg crate to the gel slide and some new focusing filters such as a full spot lens or a medium spot lens, which actually focuses the light forward instead of having it spill all over the place. The housing also allows you to have a really versatile mounting system on the back of the LightPad. So before, where you might have had to figure out on your own how to mount the LightPad, now we're giving you a solution that allows you to mount it to industry standard light stands or any kind of rig that you might be used to. The back of it is a quick disconnect mount, so you could quickly put it on and take it off if you're doing multiple setups in one day. It also has different types of mounts like a baby pin or a 5/8 receiver mount. The Axiom also comes in kits, so you can buy it either a la carte or you can buy it in kits, and we have 5 different kits available. One to kind of fit almost every need that you might have. The newest one is the digital shooters kit, which has everything that you would need to do a 3-point lighting setup in. So it has all of the stands, the positioning hardware, and 3 12x12 light pads. The Axiom light pads are available in 8 different sizes, standard sizes, ranging from a 3-inch circle all the way up to a 24 by 24-inch light pad, which is a great light for filling a larger space. We just came out with the tungsten version of LightPad, which has been very well received. The tungsten version of LightPad, it has all the same great qualities as the daylight LightPad, including the same brightness, but is just in a tungsten color temperature. You know, all of the changes that we've made to LightPad have been user-based inspired. So, you know, users come and they say, you know, what they want to change about the LightPad, and we kind of listen to all of those, and we've integrated a lot of them into the LightPad. One of those has been the power connection to the LightPad. So now we have an inside connector where you could actually plug either the transformer or an extension cable directly into the LightPad, and you have a much more solid, durable connection than the small 18-gauge wire that used to come out of the corner. So again, the whole idea of making it a lot more robust, a lot more durable for people to use on a film set.
So there you have it. That's a quick tour of our booth at LDI 2012. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please visit us at rosco.com where you can get more information on any of these products, or follow us on Facebook.